There is some indicators in Tradingview that Tradingview itself picks because they believe this is a very great indicator. And so guys, this is actually among the indicator that Tradingview picks. And I said I'm just going to know more about it. I really love it because honestly, for me to take indicators, I do love indicators that are working on real time, indicators that are not really repainted. So all these lines you see right here, they show a lot of things, but we don't really have to know what exactly they show. I'm just going to show you how you can use these lines accordingly, and you'll be able, number one, to know the trend of the market and execute trades. So the only thing you really have to do is sticking here till the end as we watch on live market, as well as we see how we can use this indicator. So guys, to add this indicator, you just go in to click on tradingview.com. Once you click on tradingview.com, you're just going to type K, just like this, clustering by Think Logic. Only 406 traders knows about this indicator. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on your chart. So guys, I'm super excited when I saw this indicator because number one, it shows very strong support and resistance levels. I've told you there is a lot this line shows. Not only support and resistance level, there is cluster formation, there is cluster analysis, there is now support and resistance levels, there is cluster standard deviation, low standard deviation, high standard deviation, and cluster density. So basically guys, those are amazing, but I just want us to see these levels as very crucial levels where we're supposed to watch the market from. That's what I want each and every one of us understand, and this is very effective because you will see for real, even when you back test, you will see price reacted to this, price reacted to this level, it rose, it reacted to this, and also basing on live market, you will see price reacted to the white line, to the green line as well, and to the white line. So basically guys, these lines are very effective, and I've told you, number one, they can show you exactly where the market is heading to, and you can see right now the market is actually proceeding to the upside with so much momentum right now, and I know buyers are in control right now. And so guys, what you're supposed to know about this indicator, I'm teaching you depending on how I really understand the market and depending on how I can also trade. So guys, for this indicator to confirm that it is a push to the upside, all these lines you see over here, price has to break above all these lines. What do I really mean price has to break above this line? I mean, when price comes to this line, it has to break above it to confirm a push to the upside. If price comes to this line, it will have to break above it to confirm a push to the upside. If it gets to this line still, price has to break above this one to confirm a push to the upside. It has to break this one, it has to break this one, it has to break above this one, to break above this one, to break above that one to confirm a push to the upside. You understand me? And if any case price gets to, like for instance, this level, to confirm a push to the downside, price has to break this white line, it has to break this green line as well, and it has to break this line as well for it to confirm and push to the downside. And you saw it really came up to this level as well. If price came to this level still, for it to confirm a push to the upside, it has to break this line over here to confirm a push to the upside, to break this line over here, and to break this line over here. Unfortunately, it was unable to, and still for us to confirm a sell order, price has to break below this, and it has to break this one over here, and it came to this level. And now we are on live market still over here, and you can see price came to the white line, it was unable to break below to confirm a push to the downside. What did it do? It broke the white line up to this level, it broke this one, and now it broke the white one. That's why you can see this market is actually buying. So guys, that's how you can use this indicator to really know a push to the upside and a push to the downside. And as well, this indicator can help you really know a ranging market. And a ranging market is whereby you will see price is actually, like for instance, rising up to this level, falling, rising up to this level, then it is being respected, it comes to this level. Why? The price is actually in the middle of the bull white line. So you have to be very patient and see where the market will head to if it breaks the upper white line, or rather if it breaks below the lower white line. That will really signify a push to the upside or a push to the downside. You understand me? So guys, you have to use this indicator this way. I've shown you how I can use it personally, not any other person, not how it is taught, but how I have understood this. Okay, so guys, we can look this also on different time frames. Let's look this on 15 minutes time frame, and the strategy is basically the same even without knowing much about the indicator. Make sure when price is proceeding to the upside, all these lines, every line should be crossed above and candlestick closing above them to confirm a push to the upside. You understand me? So right here, why didn't it reverse to the downside? Because price was unable to break the white line, and I've explained this on 5 minutes time frame. So the same is happening on 15 minutes time frame, and you can see the market is aggressively, super aggressive to the upside. So guys, let's look this on 30 minutes time frame. But everything I've mentioned have to be followed. This is 30 minutes time frame as well. Price is definitely to the upside, and price was unable to break below the white line. It really pushed to the upside, and you can see still it is pushing to the upside. I'm telling you, this is very, very, very important to really know, because paying attention like on this percentage, trust me, you forever find yourself wrong. You forever find yourself wrong. But using it the way I've told you, things will become very, very easy for you when you're using this indicator to really execute trades. And you can see for you guys, the push is actually to the upside. Like the bullish candlestick pattern closed above the white line. That's why you can see price is actually showing us a push to the upside, and you can see indeed it is indeed a push to the upside. So guys, let's look the 1 hour time frame still and see the same rules must be followed. Yes, the same rules here must be followed, and indeed you can see the candlestick has broken above the white line, but on 1 hour it hasn't closed yet. But there is a potential that this market will rise up to this level over here, or this level over here. So it's kind of very close to this red line over there. So guys, you have to pay attention when you're using this indicator. Use it the way I've shown you, because sometimes you'll be cheated. This will work for you and you'd end up following it and you lose money. But using this indicator the way I've told you, it will be easy for you to really make money. This is actually happening on 5 minutes time frame, and remember, we are basing this on live market. We not back testing, and I know you can bear me witness. This move started right here when you started this video, and now it is on this level over here. What else do you really need? You've seen how the market is actually moving. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video as well. Success and everything you do. Remember to continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. So guys, keep on practicing this, and I know at the end of the day you're going to get everything I really mean. And let me tell you, when you use it this way, it will be easier for you. But let me tell you, paying attention on this zone over here, and I repeat, this zone over here, like the cluster, the density percentage, trust me, things won't favor you. The market is indeed to the upside, candlestick closing above, and it is a push to the upside. So guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. I don't have much to say, so guys, bye, see you in my next video.